have studied just now, exactly same thing we can apply for alkyne. Now for alkyne, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. Coming to the suffix, instead of ene or ane, for alkyne, I'm going to write it down as YNE. Okay, it is YNE. Coming to the common name, for alkene, the common name was alkylene. Whereas for alkyne, the common name is acetylene. Now, from where this naming has been derived, do you remember? In the functional group lecture, I have explained you, if it is one carbon, then form. If it is two carbon, then acid. And then we know that in order to write down triple bond, minimum two carbon should be present. Okay, so what you can do is you can consider these as two carbon. So that is acid, and you put YLENE. So this becomes acetylene. Okay, I repeat, carbon triple bond carbon, since it is two carbon, acid is the prefix, and YLENE, that is for triple bond. So it becomes acetylene. So whatever alkyne group you take, whichever structure you take, definitely this group will be present in all the alkynes. So this group I call it as acetylene. So while writing the common name for alkyne, always use the word or the name acetylene. Okay. Coming to the IUPAC name, the IUPAC name will be again the suffix you are going to write down YNE. That is, from alkane, remove ANE and add YNE. So I'll be getting alkyne. Clear? And then of course for alkyne, the position of the triple bond is very important, right? And we know that again the position of the triple bond, it should be lowest. Okay. Now quickly we are going to write down. Now before I write down, I want you to take out your notebook and start writing the answers without looking my screen. Okay. And then later on you can cross check whatever you have written, whether it is correct or no. Now coming to the structure over here, 1 and 2. So since 2 carbon, eth, and why YNE? Because triple bond is present. And why I have not written the position? Because as I said, it is not necessary to write down the first position. Even if you write down the first position, no problem. No one is going to give you wrong. Okay. Coming to the next one, CH3, CH3. Over here, prop and then YNE. Coming to the fourth one, again, this will be but 2YNE. Remember, you are going to put a dash or hyphen between a number and a letter. If it is two numbers, then put comma. That also we will be discussing in the next part. Okay, when we actually start with the complex structures or the larger structures while writing the IUPAC name. Okay. Now coming to the common name, ethyne, as I said, this group we call it as acetylene. So simply it will be acetylene. Now for propyne, this group, as I said, it is acetylene. Now apart from this group, which other group is present? Yes, very good. It is CH3, methyl group. Okay, it is methyl and then acetylene. Okay, or there is one more special name, that is allylene. Okay. Coming to the next one, this is acetylene group. On one side of the acetylene, I have a methyl. On the other side, one more methyl. So basically, I'm having two methyl groups. Okay, two methyl groups. That means dimethyl acetylene. The naming becomes dimethyl acetylene. Or there is one more special name which is called as crotonylene. Okay, it is crotonylene. Clear? So in this entire lecture, we have studied about the nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is alkene and alkyne. Okay. In the next lecture, I am going to proceed with the next topic, that is nomenclature of haloalkanes, wherein I will be discussing everything about haloalkanes, and then we are going to solve many questions based on the same topic. So keep watching my videos and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.